Hello friends, so we are moving to the next program number 7, design verilog program to implement types of demultiplexer. So in the demultiplexer has like multiplexer with the opposite for the demultiplexer. So we have one input and we can have many output. The many output can be selected by using the select line. So we have 1:2 demultiplexer, 1:4 demultiplexer and 1:8 demultiplexer. So now we have to design for 1:8 demultiplexer. So then we have to start with the program module and we have a demultiplexer name of the program 1:8. So I required one data line. Because of that I am mentioning as the input with the D, and whenever I have to use for 8 output line, that 8 is to the power of 3, the 3 select lines to be required. The 3 select line, then because of that I am declaring as the input variable select line. Then I required a bus to represent select line 0, select line 1 and select line 2. So according to that I have to represent in the bus 0 to 2 as a vector type. Then I require a Y, that is a 0 to 7, that 8 output line. Then I have to require the Y with the register 0 to 7. Then we have to go for always at D is the input or select data line as well as select line. I should start with the begin, and usually for all the output line has to be initialized with a 0. Because of that Y is equal to 8 output line, then B binary type and the value will be initialized with 0. Then we are moving for the case, different cases, because I need to select any one of the output line depending upon my select line. So because of that I have to use the case with the select is a choice of the option. Then I have a select line is 3, and then we have then 0 0 0, then you can write till 1 1 1. Because of that I am representing in the format 3 of apostrophe of B with a binary 0 0 0. Whenever my select line is 0 0 0, I need to assign the data line to what? Y0. Y0 is the first line, that Y0 is equal to D. So what is the content of D? D can be 0, that has to be stored in Y, or D has 1, that has to be stored in Y0. The same way we have to go for B of B001, that has to be copied onto Y1 or Y2 or Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6, Y7. So if it is I am not selecting any one of the cases from 00 to 07, then the by default cases I should be going. The default case, whenever I don't have any selection of these, Y is equal to 8 up, I am assigning to that value to be 0. For all the output line has to be 0. So my case is start, that has to be end by end case, and begin is start, that is end by end. The program is start with the module, that has to be end by end module. Once the program is done, I need to write a test benches to test my cases, depends upon my select line. Then I should be write the test benches. The test benches start by module, the followed by name of the program. So whatever the input I am declaring in my program, all the inputs are declared as reg with D, reg with 2 of 0 select line. Then all the outputs are represented as wire, that is Y1. Then I need to do unit under test for all the input and output of demultiplexer of 1 of 8, the D select line Y. Then I have to give for that in the test cases between the initial and begin. I am giving the data value as D is equal to 1. You can give D is equal to 0 or D is equal to 1 to recognize which line I am expecting the output. Because of that I am taking as D is equal to 1. The select line is initially with 3 of B of 0. Then after 100 nanosecond I need to change the select line is equal to 1. Then select line is equal to B of 3 of 0 0. Next 100 nanosecond the select line is equal to 2 and 3 4 5 6 7. So like that I need to go. That 100 will be can give it to any other value. Then one need to be end. The begin has to be ended. Then the program need to be ended. So this will be completion about 1:2 demultiplexer. Then we will move for the implementation part by using the Xilinx. So let me go for the implementation of Xilinx in the next video. Thank you.